The Gulf of Mexico was the pioneer that started the deep water world that we see today.
The 40th anniversary of Deepwater is exciting. This is my 30th year, and I still feel like the new guy.
We really had a sense of pride and purpose to make sure this was going to work.
Cognac back in the day was just a landmark.
The most common question I faced was, Dan, are you sure this thing will fit together when we put it out in the ocean?
It was a first in a long series of firsts of Shell having the world's deepest platform.
Auger is a workhorse.
We had just made this discovery called Mars.
Perdido was out in ultra deep water.
The Appomattox Hull is the largest floating production system that Shell has ever built.
Vito plays into Deepwater's future by learning how to make the possible affordable.
There's no challenge that's too big for the Gulf of Mexico organization.
Every one of those was new and unique and needed new innovative technology to make it be successful.
The work that Shell did after Katrina was amazing.
What really struck me about Katrina is how Shell actually lived its values.
When we put together a coming home team and campaign, our reputation just soared.
You see our history coming back after Katrina, what we have with Jazz Fest, and all of the different social investment partners that we have. It's a fantastic place to be.
It's a very proud and satisfying feeling to see the deepwater developments all over the world and know that a lot of us here in the Gulf of Mexico actually started it.
If you don't take time to look back, you lose sight of all the great things that you've done.
It's been a heck of a ride, and it's an inspiration for the next 40 years.
I think it's important to be able to carve out a new future, a future that our people can be inspired by for the next 30, 40 years.